Okay, so no one has ever made this video yet, so I want to be the first one to make it. This is a FightCamp unboxing video where you get to see what arrives at your door and how you unbox it, what it feels like, and what that whole entire experience is like, because no one has posted about that, and you only see the end product. What about the beginning? They also were generous enough to send me this FightCamp care kit. So FightCamp sends you 2 massive boxes. Here's the box number 1. I'm about 6 feet tall, and this is it. About the width of my waist, maybe. Pretty big box, number 1. I'm assuming the punching bag goes in here. And then there's box number 2. As you can tell, I'm strong, but not like extremely strong. These are relatively light. They feel pretty light for such small boxes. FightCamp does have a 30-day return policy, but they make you pay for shipping to return it. I live in an apartment, so I'm curious how this is going to work, especially with people living below me. Is the base to the boxing bag thing. Whoa, inside of here is the base. It's just a big piece of plastic molded. Ooh. It's really staticky. And then you fill this bad boy up with water. I don't have a hose in my apartment, so how I decided to fill this bad boy up is by taking the shower hose that I have and wiring that straight in, putting it on full blast, and then you put this on top. And so that way the base stays stable. There it is, FightCamp. I'm gonna fill it up with water later. I don't know how, I don't have a hose. But when it's full, it doesn't move. Oh, I'm gonna stand next to it. I'm about 6 feet tall. FightCamp unboxing. Update, I just messaged their support. They're pretty quick to respond on there. There are 4 boxes that come. I only got 2 out of the 4. There'll be another one for the mats and then another one for the gloves. It'll take 5 to 12 days. A 30-day return policy they're talking about starts the day you order it. So they're now saying 5 to 12 days until the delivery. The boxes are all coming separately. They come from different places. And this box came open. I just picked it up from the package delivery room. The trackers and quick wraps come in this box. Gloves, finally, I got gloves right there. They're very nice and kind to send me a FightCamp care kit. So I think this is the tracker kit from FightCamp. Let's pull this bad boy out. Opens up like a book. Woo! Ignite the fighter within. Check that out right there. So this is pretty common for a lot of boxing studios. They'll sell quick wraps for you to use. And you kind of just put them on your hands like a sleeve. So that's what it kind of looks like right there. And they also have trackers, so you need to charge. And I just saw that it's USB-A. Come on, FightCamp, USB-C, what is this? And these are the 2 trackers in the front. That's, I assume, how it charges. I put an adapter on it, so you can buy one of these off Amazon. So that is it charging right there. Oh, they color code the hand, the wrap for the hand that it goes on with the actual, it comes in this bag. They give you this little piece of paper right here that explains how the trackers work. And then you put these on like gloves pretty much. They feel pretty good quality. I've had a lot of different wraps, and these are pretty thick, pretty good quality wraps. They also were generous enough to send me this FightCamp care kit. This is a lot of cool stuff actually. We've got a towel, a water bottle, and then inside of here, yeah, this is legit. Like a backpack type of thing, it looks like. It's got little zippers on the top, and it's got a big hole right here to put stuff in. I don't know what these are, but this is something. Care about me. You think that's what it is? And then here are the gloves right here. These are the actual fight kit. These are my first pair of boxing gloves. Look at that right there. I'm out of breath because I just need to carry these a long way. These are the last 2 boxes for FightCamp. We have a yoga mat. Actually, I don't know what this is. The punching bag goes underneath this mat to keep it in place and to keep it from moving, I think. That is much needed on this. Actually, it moves a lot. And then, oh, this is beautiful. It comes with these little mounts that go on it, and to prevent it from moving. Look at that. So that's an issue I've been having, but luckily this is part of the shipment. I just haven't gotten it yet. So now I'm gonna try this out. This is 45 pounds. This is the heaviest item that you receive from FightCamp. Woo! Inside of here, I presume, are the mats. and they're like Lego pieces. So, woo, they're pretty thick. But check this out. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. This is like the actual stuff you see in a gym. Legit, opening up a home gym. Lego puzzle pieces. Put it on top. There we go. Close to the edge as we possibly can. So now when it gets punched, set up the boxing bag in my bedroom. I put it on the carpet because the laminate hopefully won't make too much noise for people downstairs. Okay, so you need a couple of things. You need your boxing gloves, obviously. We got FightCamp boxing gloves. We got our wraps, and then you need your tracking sensors, which I don't know if it matters which one goes where. I don't think it does. But the up arrow with the light facing out, so we put them in all the way in. I don't know. Can you turn them on? Oh yeah. Oh, there we go. Red. So they start to blink. See that? Can you see the red one too? Yeah, there we go. And then the blue one with the light facing outwards, so I know. We do that. We'll grab turn on screen recording right here on the iPad. Cool. And we'll open up FightCamp. I wonder if it's doing that. Boom, intro workout, which it'll play an intro workout. I think you can download this app and use it. Understanding the live screen.
2 1 1 2 1 1 2.
So for the first time, place them, charge them to wake them up. Double tap, so I double tap to connect to the iPad. Thanks for color coding the wraps, it's super helpful. Okay, throw 5 punches. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, so I tap the workout and then I can see the trackers. I can see the battery levels, put them to sleep. Then you can also tap here, I can tap music, I can pick my type.
We got an 8-round open workout.
So the audio is not playing from my HomePod.
We're gonna start with that jump rope in 3. Every 30 seconds.
We're just jumping. Let's go. So watch, it moves a lot. Like this bag's on carpet.
Let the smoke go in the air and let it fade away. I'ma put $1 billion on lay away. Told the devil.
Warm down, we just finished first workout. Pretty good. Makes a lot of noise, right? It's hitting the wall, it's hitting the floor. I don't know if my neighbors downstairs can hear it. I don't have any next door, but I don't know if hitting the wall impacts it. I don't know, man. Almost 2,000 punches. I wish they taught to the beat of the music, but I think the music is just played over whatever they recorded. They don't have that kind of licensing, I don't think. Pretty good, it was fun. I need to get used to these wraps. It was cool to see my score. Cool, now it gives me a whole bunch of stats. It says, do you want to turn off your trackers? Put them to sleep? Yeah, let's do it. So they'll be at sleep time. I'm not gonna rate it right now. So those are my punches versus the goal. So I'll just say, okay, do it again. It saves my session history. It's got my profile. I'm 272 on the leaderboard. Wow, that's pretty crazy. And that's about it. And they have a whole bunch of classes here. They have quick workouts. You can tap it and you see the time, 15 minutes. They have some paths you can do, kickboxing. They have boxing skills, which are like 2 minutes. So they just kind of go through the different things. And then bookmarks, FightCamp series, core workouts. If you don't want to be boxing, it's like core focus. This is like 5 minutes. So I could do that in addition to the back wall. I put it there because I think that'll make the less amount of noise. But every time I punch it, you know, the bottom part kind of lifts a little bit because it kind of tilts. So, and then when it slams back down, like you've got the surface, you punch it, it goes whoop, whoop. So that causes a little bit of noise on the floor, even with the carpet. 500 calories. That is the FightCamp unboxing, first class. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll do a 30-day review once I'm done. Give you the lowdown. Is it worth it? Should you do it? It's about a little over $1,000 for the bag and then $40 a month for the classes. Apple HomePod here, but I guess you can't AirPlay from the iPad, so I have to wear headphones. But this is the full setup in its place in a bedroom.
Where you wanna go? Just give me the fat pockets and the fat estates. Let the smoke go in the air and let it fade away.